Nice to meet you. In this video, we will learn how to get a 20% Binance fee discount and receive various bonuses. For those who need the referral code right away, I will tell you first. The referral code is BB333. If you use this referral code, you will receive a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits. First, let's proceed with Binance registration. There is a Binance link at the bottom of the video you are watching now. If you click this link, you will be moved to the official Binance registration page. You must access through this link to receive the 20% Binance fee discount and bonus benefits. In the ID field, please enter your email or phone number. After checking the agreement box below, click the Continue button. Click the images in order that match the word displayed at the top left. If a verification code is sent to the email or phone number you entered, enter the verification code. Now please enter your password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If the inviter input screen appears, be sure to click the Yes button. This step is very important. After registration is completed, the referral code cannot be added later, so make sure to enter it before signing up. Enter BB333 in the referral code input field here. Then you can confirm that the 20% fee discount has been applied. If you signed up by clicking the link under the video, don't worry because the referral code is automatically applied. Once registration is complete, you can confirm that the 20% Binance fee discount and bonus benefits are applied to your account. Next, proceed with KYC verification. You must complete KYC verification to use the referral benefits and Binance deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions, so be sure to complete the KYC verification. Second, I will tell you how to receive various bonuses. On the Binance home screen, hover over the person icon at the top right and click Rewards Hub. On this page, you can see all welcome rewards you can receive and the mission progress status. By completing various missions such as first deposit, achieving a certain trading volume, and using platform features, you can receive various rewards, so please complete those missions. Enter the referral code BB333 and receive both the maximum fee discount and bonus benefits. If this video was helpful, please press subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.